You're leaving money on the table by not offering personalized products. Shoppers are willing to pay more for something made just for them, and personalization doesn't just boost sales, it builds a connection with your brand. Just like Nike with custom shoes or Levi's with their tailor shop for personalized apparel. In this video, I'll show you why personalization is one of the easiest ways to grow your sales and strengthen your brand. Then I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up. First on Shopify, then on Etsy. Let's dive in. First off, what's the Printful Personalization Tool and how does it work? Product personalization allows shoppers to customize an item before buying it by adding their own text, images, or designs. Think of a mug with someone's name or a hoodie with an inside joke. It's a simple feature that turns any product into something meaningful and personal, something worth paying a little extra for. Personalization also helps build brand loyalty. When customers form an emotional connection to your products, they're more likely to remember your store and return for more. And because personalized products make for thoughtful gifts, they sell year-round, from birthdays to holidays and every occasion in between. In fact, the personalized gift market is constantly growing, up about 6.7% each year. More and more shoppers are choosing unique, meaningful items over mass-produced products. You might think personalization is complicated, but with Printful's product personalization tool, it's practically plug and play and completely free. It integrates directly with Shopify and Etsy with a quick setup that gets you selling faster. Let's start with how to use the product personalization tool with Shopify. To get started, you can either add a new product from Printful's product catalog or modify one you're already selling. To create a new product, go to the product catalog, select the product you want to personalize, and then click Start Designing. To update an existing product, go to My Products, Publish, find the product you want to personalize, click Edit, and then Edit Design. To add the personalization option, click Text in the left-hand menu and add a placeholder like Custom Name or Your Text Here. Then just check this box to turn on personalization and you're good to go. Once published, this product will appear with a personalized label in your product list. When a customer buys their special version of a product, the imported order will show a Requires Personalization status. It won't move to fulfillment until you personalize it by clicking Personalize Order, where you can add the custom text based on your customer's instructions. The order will only be fulfilled once the design is updated, reviewed, and manually confirmed. This way, you can be confident that every personalized order is reviewed carefully and delivered exactly the way your customer wanted. But keep in mind that turning on personalization in Printful doesn't automatically let customers add their details when buying from your Shopify store. You'll need to set that up separately in Shopify. Let's see how that's done. First, make sure to include the word personalized or a similar term in your product title so shoppers know they can customize it. Then add clear instructions in the product description explaining what can be customized and how your customers should provide their custom text. You can let customers add their personalization details using the cart note feature at checkout. A cart note is a small text box that appears in the shopping cart right before customers complete their purchase. It's usually labeled Order Special Instructions or something similar, depending on your Shopify theme. To enable cart notes, open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes, and click Customize. In this example, I'm using the Dawn theme, one of Shopify's free default themes. Next, click Theme Settings, Cart, and turn on the Cart Note toggle. To preview how it looks, switch your view to Cart from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. You'll see a text box labeled Order Special Instructions. This is where your customers can enter their custom text. Keep in mind that the cart note box only appears when there's at least one product in the shopping cart, so add an item first to see the feature in action. Another option is to collect personalization details manually, for example, by email. In the product description, include clear instructions telling customers to email you their personalization details after checkout. You can also mention what information they should include, like a name, date, or short message, depending on your design. Be sure to collect their email addresses during checkout so you can follow up with a reminder if needed. This helps you get their personalization details quickly and start fulfilling orders as soon as possible. You can also use a third-party Shopify app. If you're using one, you may need to adjust a few settings in your Shopify dashboard to let customers add their personalization details. I recommend the Zepto Product Personalizer app for this setup. Zepto lets your customers add custom text or details directly on your product pages, making personalization quick and easy to manage through Printful. The app offers a 15-day free trial so you can test the app before committing. To add a personalization field to your product pages, follow the steps in our Zepto app setup guide, which I'll link in the description below. Now, let's move on to Etsy. The personalization feature is automatically enabled for all Etsy stores connected to Printful. Let's go through the process of setting it up on Etsy. Go to the Shop Manager on Etsy, open Listings, and select the product you've imported from Printful that you want to make customizable. Then scroll down to Product Description and click Add Personalization. Here you can provide clear instructions for your customers, including character limits where their text will appear on the product, or any other details they should be aware of. Make sure to set the character limit in the field below. Once you're done, click Publish Changes to save. Next, ensure that your personalized Etsy orders sync correctly with Printful. To do that, go to your Printful dashboard, go to Settings, Stores, Orders, and select your Etsy store. Scroll down to the Sync as you go section and make sure Import Personalized Orders as Drafts is checked. Then click Save. As you can imagine, this setting ensures that personalized orders from Etsy appear in your Printful dashboard as drafts, allowing you to review and adjust the design before it's sent for fulfillment. When a customer places a personalized order from your Etsy store, it will appear in the Orders section of your Printful dashboard. Click the order to open it, and you'll see the customer's personalized text next to Personalization. In this example, the customer wrote Tinkerbell. The order won't move to fulfillment until you personalize it. Click Personalize Order, then Personalize. The order will only be fulfilled once the design is updated, reviewed, and manually confirmed. For example, let's say a customer wants to personalize this World's Best Grandpa shirt with the name Josh. We'll add Josh under the design just like we mentioned in our Etsy listing instructions. Then adjust the font and placement. Once the design is ready, follow the usual steps to complete the order. Select your shipping options and review before confirming fulfillment. There you have it. Personalization is a powerful feature that adds value to your brand and gives your store a more personal touch, so don't miss the chance to try it out. Ready to make your products more unique? Follow the link below to start designing personalized products in minutes and make every order feel one of a kind. And in the meantime, happy selling!